Well, here we go. We are going to be looking at the Vosteed Porcupine, and the Porcupine is not brand new per se, but it is getting a refresh right now. We have some updates to it. Originally, I think it was on micarta, and it came with an opening hole. Later on, we got the thumb stud version. We'll check them all out here in a second. And then now I think we're doing G10. So we got the Velcro pouch right here from Vosteed. Here is the knife, and of course some paperwork and a wiping cloth on the box as well. Of course, can't forget about the Raccoon sticker, right? That's also in the box. And also available for a limited time, you can get the Vosteed Porcupine here with Monster Doodle handles as well. So that's also an option. I'll have all the links below for you guys to check them all out. But we're going G10 with the Porcupine. And I think, first of all, we should say this, right? This is the first thing I want you guys to be aware. I mean, if you already know about the Porcupine, you already know about the value per dollar, right? The value proposition on this knife. But if you don't, let me tell you, this is hands down one of the best budget knives, quality per dollar value proposition you can get in 2026. And now we have G10 with a little bit of a nice touch, right? I do absolutely like the diagonal pattern going on there, kind of like a frag pattern, if you would, right? Almost like diamond like. I absolutely love it. The great thing about the Porcupine is you have jimping right in the liners here, which are exposed, even on the other side as well. The blade has multiple jimping zones. We do have a deep pocket carry clip that's also reversible on the other side. And you get the nice little build construction from Vosteed that they absolutely do a great job with. So without further ado, opening hole here for the win. Well, bam, right? There is your blade, right? A lot of people are calling this like a rosy killer, right? I don't necessarily see it, but if you do, let me know in the comments. We're getting a drop point blade with a 14C 28-inch steel with a flat grind, looking the best. I mean, very capable blade for everyday carry. Good belly there for tabletop cutting or, you know, good slicing with that tall flat grind. Absolutely works very nice. And everyone's favorite budget steel these days, 14C 28, and you absolutely cannot go wrong with it. Now, what puts the cherry on top on this knife, I'll tell you in just a second. Some of you guys like to take some pictures of the knife, like, Miguel, you moved the knife around too much, man. Put it down so we can get a closer look. All right, fam, here you go. Somebody else commented the other day and said I was treating the knife as a hot potato. Like, why was I moving it around too much? Okay, so I'm listening to you guys. I'm taking in the feedback. So the cherry on top on this knife, guys, is the button operated liner lock. That is the beauty of the knife. Absolutely cannot go wrong with this kind of locking mechanism. Very nice and easy to work with, right, as far as engagement here and disengagement. And it's also going to be a very strong system here, kind of like a Spider Co compression lock, but with the button that makes it very easy, right, to engage and disengage. You got that opening hole for Spidey flick all day. You got that thumb deployment here of the hole. All of them are absolutely dialed in. So you got at least 3 different deployment methods, and therefore it can be very fidget friendly as well. You get a medium-sized knife. I'm able to get a full purchase right here with my average size hands. Get a very nice finger choke right here to forward choke and get more control of the cuts. This jimping right here on the blade is great for this grip right there, right? If you want to get a little bit of tip work done or what have you, you absolutely can do that. And not to mention, of course, I mean, the jimping, even in this section right here, the attention to detail throughout the knife is insane. We have some milling inside for weight reduction. And of course, 2 standoffs and a lanyard tube back there as your lanyard solution. I mean, overall, I mean, what else is there to say about the Porcupine that hasn't already been said? I mean, this is, again, one of the hands down most recommendable budget knives you can get in 2026. A lot of you guys are always asking in the comments, Miguel, I'm brand new to the channel. I'm wondering what budget knife I can get, you know, for a good affordable price. And guys, this is absolutely hands down one of them. Cannot go wrong with the Vosteed Porcupine. So like I said, there is a thumb stud version as well, and the OG Porcupine came with micarta handles. So you have plenty to choose from. Do you want micarta? Do you want G10 handles? Do you want an opening hole? Do you want thumb studs? Vosteed is just absolutely perfecting the Porcupine here through and through, and I am here for it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.